Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to fix camera app missing on iPhone. So if you search your iPhone for camera, you discover that the camera application is not available and you can only access it on the settings page like this. So here I'm going to show you how to fix this if the camera application is missing on your iPhone. At the same time, if you go to your iPhone lock screen, the camera application will be missing at the bottom right of the lock screen on iOS 18 or 17. So if I don't know this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to fix camera app missing on iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings, and then on the settings page, you want to scroll down. Just keep scrolling until you get to screen time. Then once you select screen time, scroll down the page and click on content and privacy restrictions. Once you selected that, you should see the content and privacy restrictions turned on. Go ahead and tap allow apps and features. Under allow apps and features, you see the camera app disabled. So if the camera app is disabled here, you'll not be able to use the camera on your iPhone, and the camera will be removed from the home screen, app library, as well as the iPhone lock screen. So go back to this apps and feature page and then make sure you enable camera. Once that is enabled, you want to go back to your iPhone screen, and of course, for perfect setting up, go ahead and turn off content and privacy restrictions. And once that is disabled, as well, go back to your iPhone home page, and then you should see the camera hub back to the iPhone. If you come to Display Search and search for camera, now you'll be able to access the camera on your iPhone. So that is how to fix camera app missing on iPhone, either on iOS 18 or earlier. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.